No, this is a wholesome stream. This is a wholesome stream. I can't be talking about tentacles on main. Actually, wait, hold on. Try this tongue twister. You know New York, you need New York, you know you need unique, you know New York. Okay. You know New York, you need New York, you know you need unique New York. You know New York, you need New York, you know you need unique New York. You know New York, you need. I'm being fucking possessed, holy shit. Got a whole column dedicated to anime titties. Honka honka, how you doing? Hi, not all the clippers here, get him out of here. How do I remove my clothes? I forgot. Never mind. I was gonna remove the cape. Polished coconut. If not, look it up. Okay, wait. Polished coconut. Whoa! Holy shit! What the hell? That looks like a freaking raisinette or some shit. Yeah, people are fucking nuts. Wow. Can't stop. I'm fighting back the hiccups. The hiccups are coming back. Oh wait, I get it. I gotta grab on to the thing. Oh no, my hiccups are back. My hiccups are back. Oh man. No. I need to talk. No. Wait, maybe if I... Okay, I think it feels like the hiccups are getting better. But also, here's the thing. You have the no cursing regime. You got the hiccups. And we're playing this game. That was so loud. That was so loud. I can't do that. I can say. Okay. I haven't been hiccuping. I only started hiccuping now. Wait, I'm gonna hydrate.